We will now show you a spectacular view of Salzburg city. What you can do is come to the Museum der Modern Salzburg and take the Mönchsberg lift, and here you have the amazing view of the fortress and the city of Salzburg. Just look at it. And in case you're more adventurous, there is a path over here which goes to the old fortifications, and that's a big trail, nature trail down. And if you're up for a walk, it's a half an hour to 45 minutes walk downstairs. From this place, you can go downstairs towards the main city. So if you're in for a trek, you can do it. You can see many tourists doing this trek. So it's absolutely safe and nothing to worry about. This is the Dome Quarters, which is the palace of the Prince Archbishops of Salzburg. This is a very grand palace. We will show you inside the palace also. In December, the palace closes at 5 p.m. So you need to be here by 3 o'clock to get entry. This is the treasury of the Prince Archbishops of Salzburg in the Dome Palace. You can see the wonderful art decor that they have. The statues. Just look at the magnificent cathedral. And here is the Christmas market. Wonderful gingerbread sweets. They last almost 15 days. Very famous in Germany and this part of the Austria. Today we have Mr. Leo, who was very helpful and has taken us for a walking tour of Salzburg. Let's hear from him. Hi Leo, thank you for being on Binoy's Travelscope.
Hi, I'm Leo. I'm happy to be here, and also I guided you today around through the city, and I work for Free Walking Tours. I'm a tour guide. I've been doing this for several years, and if you want to come to Salzburg, check out the sites, talk about sound music, and more, then feel free to come on the Free Walking Tours of Salzburg.
Thank you so much, Leo, for being on Binoy's Travelscope. Viewers, whenever you are in Salzburg, I will give you the link of the free walking tours and Leo can guide you around. Leo, do you want to give any personal information, something that people can write to you if they're coming on a private tour or something?
Sure. So my email address is Leonard Messmer, LeonardMessmer @hotmail.com.
Viewers, now coming back to the most delectable part of Salzburg. Yes, and that's the Mozart Kugel chocolates. And now I am in front of Café CafeFurst. This is the place where Paul First made the first original Mozart Kugel chocolates, made with high quality dark chocolate, pistachio paste and nougat. This is completely eggless, and since they're original, their identity is the silver and blue foil. Now let's go inside. We are at Café Bazar. You can have a look at the Café Bazar. It's one of the oldest cafes. Vienna, Austria, and Salzburg have a very great coffee culture. You can sit and have coffee here a long time. Nobody says anything. It's a place where intellectuals and great thinkers would meet, artists would meet. And currently, I'm having a hot chocolate with whipped cream. I really hope you liked all the information that we shared about Salzburg and the Salzburg card.
Do subscribe to Binoy's Travelscope if you are a first-time visitor, and please share your love and care through our comments and likes. And please share with your friends and family members too.